In today's video, I am going to teach you how to have automatic email replies on Kit. Automatic replies in Kit are usually done with a sequence, because a sequence can send an email as soon as someone joins, and it can also send follow-up emails later if you ever need them. For now, we are setting up an immediate reply like a confirmation or welcome message, right after someone submits your form. First, look at the left sidebar and click Automations. This is where Kit keeps the tools for building email flows. From there, click Sequences. Sequences are collections of emails that send out in a specific order, based on timing that you control. Next, click the button for a new sequence. This creates a fresh sequence that you can use specifically for your automatic reply. Once it opens, enter your email content. Write the subject and the body of the message you want people to receive. Keep it clear and helpful, and make sure it matches what your form promised. If your form offered a download or next steps, include that information in the email content so the subscriber gets what they expect right away. After your email is written, set the delay to 0 days. This is the key setting that makes the email send immediately after the person is added to the sequence. With a 0-day delay, Kit will treat it as an instant reply rather than something that waits. Once the email looks correct and the delay is set, toggle the switch to Published. Publishing is what makes the sequence active, so Kit is allowed to send it. If it stays unpublished, the automation can be connected, but the email will not go out. Now it is time to connect your form to the sequence. Go back to Automations, then choose Visual Automations. Visual Automations let you connect triggers, like a form submission, to actions, like starting a sequence. Create a new automation, then choose your form as the starting point. After that, connect the form to the sequence you just published. This tells Kit, when someone submits this form, start them on this sequence immediately. At this point, your automatic email reply is set up. That covers everything you need to know.